Alright, boom. So let me lay the situation out for you guys. It was a regular Saturday, right? Regular Saturday. I'm in here getting my draw on. I mean, this is high quality art, just art going on. Just drawing, caricatures, everything. I got the Copics going, everything is good. And then suddenly, knock on the door. Well, actually it was actually a Facebook Messenger call, which was weird, super duper weird, because I don't get Facebook Messenger calls, and Facebook Messenger calls kind of freak me out. But it was Midori Hana. She just showed up. Okay, she didn't actually show up. I actually called her, told her to come over, and I kind of forgot that she was coming over because I was busy drawing and working, and then she was over. So what do? You have a discussion about Twitch, and that's exactly what happened, and that's exactly what we did. Check it out. Brittany, what you doing?
I am managing my Discord right now.
You're on your Discord.
I am.
I don't even have a Discord.
You can set one up if you set up a Twitch and get this shit going.
I don't, okay. But that's why you're here. To help me set up a Twitch.
I got you.
So, thank you for being here.
Alright.
Now, my question to you, what makes you get to be a Twitch affiliate status?
Okay, so affiliate is pretty much like the second tier of Twitch. When you first start, you need to hit, I believe it's 50 followers. 50 followers, and I think
oh shoot, it actually worked.
What? What'd you do?
No, I finally logged on for the first time in like years.
What, Twitch?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow, hold on, I got these Prime Loot, Visit Twitch. What's these 15 things? Oh. Okay, cool. Let me learn about Twitch.
Okay.
And
so
I need help learning about Twitch. Well, apparently I follow Warcraft, Blizzard. I didn't even know that. Havoc. I'm following these channels? Okay. Oh no, I know I'm following my homegirl. How am I not following you? Midori.
probably because I'm black.
No, that's all I do is follow black Twitchers. So, can't use that excuse, lady.
Damn it.
How do you spell your name?
Midori Hana?
Midori.
_ Hana. MIDORI.
Just I?
And then you'll see you have big boobs.
Oh, I see it.
There you go. Okay, so yeah, affiliate. You have to have at least 500 total minutes broadcast in the last 30 days. You have to stream 7 unique days in the last 30 days. You have to average at least 3 concurrent viewers or more over the last 30 days, and then you have to at least have 50 followers.
So, if I start doing a nightly live stream of me drawing stuff on Twitch, would that be cool?
Yeah. Now, so when you do hit affiliate, that's when you can actually, make money, in a sense. People can actually start donating you bits, which bits is pretty much equivalent to a penny. So if you get 100 pennies or get 100 bits, that's $1. And again, those you have to make at least $100 for it to be depositable to you.
Okay, that's normal. That's standard.
Yeah, that's pretty standard.
Isn't Twitch owned by Amazon?
No, they partner with Amazon.
Oh, okay. Because that's an Amazon rule.
Yeah, so you can link your Amazon Prime.
Yeah, that's what they say.
And get some goodie stuff.
Well, man. Yeah, this is starting to become a little bit clearer to me.
Yeah, I find it easier for artists to use Twitch because you literally you literally sit and draw, and that's it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you can literally just turn on your camera and do what you're doing, or get your work done, on top of doing Twitch. So you're pretty much making double the money, in a sense, for doing one job. If you look at it that way.
No, I absolutely look at it that way.
So, I mean, the only difference is you'll actually be, I guess, social while working on art, you know?
Which is cool.
Which is fine, because, I mean, like, I don't know about you, I get bored sometimes where it gets, like, it isn't, not necessarily bored, but it just kind of, like, it feels like it's dragging on, because you're just drawing. Like, yeah, playing music in the background is nice as well, but having that social aspect to it kind of makes it nice. And then what Domo and Cree do...
Yeah, they have Jim Lee's on right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know he's from St. Louis. So, he's on right now. All that stuff. Okay, how's he doing that?
That's webcam. With the green screen.
So he's on the green screen?
Yeah. So... in a sense, your setup. How do you want your setup? Streamlabs. I use Streamlabs. Some people use OBS. That's the streaming service that you can use to create your layouts and such, you know, as far as how you want to display while you're streaming. It can handle all your, you know, your commands. So commands, in a sense, would be like, let's scroll up on his chat. See if he has a bot. So right here, Nightbot. You see how it literally is. It's pretty much saying things that you can say. So that's where, like, mine, I set up to where it's linked to my merchandise website. So it promotes my merchandise for me while in chat. So I don't have to continuously say it. You know what I mean? So again,
I got him muted right now. So.
Oh, okay. But yeah, his setup is pretty much he has a display. He has his whatever he's using to stream his art with. He has that as his main display capture, and then he has in his layout a webcam on himself with a green screen behind him. I don't stream with the green screen quite yet, just because I don't feel it to be like a dire need. It will come soon. I mean, most people. I think one of my friends, he just painted a green screen on his wall. I mean, you can literally
done that before.
Yeah. I think I got a green sheet in my closet. I don't feel the need to.
Well, if I need to, I can always get something and then drop a screen back there if I need to. Yeah.
Right. Like I said, does it look nice? Yes. But is it a dire need? No. I was using a headset for mic for the longest until I actually used, and I've used my bits to purchase stuff for my stream. I have not spent like my actual money for it. So yeah. So everything that's been donated to me, you link it to, obviously you can link it to your PayPal or whatnot, and go from there, because you are getting paid in a sense.
Really?
Yeah. So obviously he's official because he has the official Twitch check or whatnot. So he is a partner. Partner is a little harder. So like right now, that's
you can't. I can't get a partner. You're a partner?
No, I'm not a partner yet. I'm on the road to partnership.
How do you get a partner?
After affiliate, you need to have a average viewers of 72. Right now, I'm at 15, 16 on average. In the last 30 days, you have to have up to 75 average viewers. Yeah.
So
it's not easy, but I feel like it's easier for you guys as artists because look at the crowd you can pull in.
Well, that's true.
Everybody wants to be an artist, legit. Everybody is an artist, so they're gonna pick a lot of the well-known people's like brains, just because they want to get in. Like one guy I follow, he does commission paintings for people. It's amazing painter, but he just sits and works on stream.
So he just streams.
Yeah, he just streams himself working, and that's also another way of getting more commissions in. So legit, this can be a full-time job. Some people legit, this is their only job because of the clientele / viewership they have.
Is that where they went to? Son of a gun. I frustrate myself sometimes.
Yeah, well,
I really
frustrate my life. Boobs.
Will you quit molesting?
Sorry.
I'm figuring it all out, and you're helping me figure it all out,
Yay.
which is good. Which is really, really good. And that's the reason why we're doing the vlog. And I've changed the whole direction of the vlog because of you having showed up.
Oh, yay.
Yeah.
I wish I would have known. I would have looked pretty. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
You know what? I don't think any of the guys are going to have any other problems.
Sorry. This is me on my off day.
Well, Brittany, you will be back.
I shall.
Yes, you will be. Actually, I need to. Yeah, I'm going to have to think some things out here.
Yeah, because, again, if you're like Foresight, if that is.
Yeah, that's going to be.
If that's a group that you want to.
No, that is. That's me. That's
right.
100% me.
So, build off that, capitalize with it as much as you can. And like my Twitch thing, I don't have it all figured out. I'm legit just going with the fucking flow. Like, I think I didn't have a webcam, so I was just streaming gameplay. That's it. And my voice. That was it. I didn't have a banner. What the fuck is a banner? I didn't have a logo. What the fuck is a logo? I didn't have anything until like I just build off of it slowly. And then going to TwitchCon, that opened me up to like, okay, this is how things should go in a sense of how do you want to put yourself out there.
Well,
so
that's
for
why
Foresight, you can, that could be a gold mine in a sense to get a lot of things happening. Because like Black Girl Gamer Group, I'm in a Females United Discord. They get job opportunities a lot.
Well,
so
here's the thing. I'm looking at the opportunity to build recognition, brand, and of course, and commissions is fine.
If you're comfortable and want to do commissions like that.
Have you ever seen me in action? That's all we do.
But that, I mean, like I said, that will get and you can use that as a sense to get your name out there, to draw more people, and you can have your YouTube connected to your Twitch. You can have all of your other outlets connected to your Twitch as well.
Now this is starting to become very, very much interesting. How many times do you think I should go live?
How often do you want to? It's up to you. There's been days where I've streamed in the morning, like during spring break. I streamed during the morning. Alright guys, I'll catch you tonight. Or you can do an all-day stream. It all depends on you. You can do 24-hour streams, you can do 16-hour streams, you can do 12-hour streams, 8 hours. It all depends on you.
Hey, that makes sense.
So it's yours for the taking. And I mean, that Microsoft opportunity where I cosplayed for the kids, Twitch St. Louis.
Twitch St. Louis.
The last time they were live was at Anime St. Louis. They had a booth to let people sign up. If you're a Twitcher,
I see.
in the St. Louis area, bow.
I'm just following right now. I'm just stalking.
Stalk them.
I'm stalking. Got 455 followers. Yeah.
Our Twitch meetups are awesome.
Now, because Big Ike's always on these Discords. How do you do the Discord thing? I've never done it. I don't have time.
Yeah. It's easy to just set one up.
Is it even something I need to concentrate on right now? I
wouldn't.
Okay, there we go. That was the answer I needed to know.
I mean, I I would make one once you hit affiliate. That will be like a milestone for you or a goal for you.
That's fine. Brittany, why are you playing with my light?
Because I'm getting prepped for your wrap up.
Well, we're about to wrap up, so come wrap up.
Okay, go ahead.
No. So what have we learned? Why are you're posing? You are literally posing.
Oh, okay.
No, I mean it's fine. You keep doing what you're doing. I was just like, she's posing.
What did you learn today?
I learned a lot about Twitch today. Thank you, Brittany, for teaching me about Twitch. And we're gonna have a whole vlog about Twitch. And I didn't know we were gonna have a whole vlog about Twitch. But now that we're here, we're here. You literally just did the head fling.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh shit! I'm sorry. Hope you guys have fun. Hope it was informational.
Like and subscribe if you're new. If you're not, please share. And yeah.
It's been real.
It's been fun.
Glad to have met you guys.
There will be more shenanigans before she leaves me.
Midori _Hana.
Please follow her on Twitch, right? Twitch. What is it again?
Midori _Hana.
See, that would work if the shirt was. I'm gonna get. You know what? We're out. Peace.